Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a greeting from Mom while we learn Spanish. Let's make a nice greeting card for Mom so we can give it to her as a gift. We are going to write, "I love you, Mom." We draw letter by letter. She will love it. We draw some hearts. Heart in Spanish is corazón. Now we draw some flowers. That in Spanish is said, FLORES. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use red. Red in Spanish is rojo. We use purple. That in Spanish is said, morado. Let's go with the blue color. That is said, azul. Let's go with orange. That in Spanish is said, naranja. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Let's go with the violet color. That is said, VIOLETA. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is VERDE. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!